Here we're going to look at a behavior chain. A behavior chain consists of discriminative stimulus, a response, and then a conditioned reinforcement. The response is the only behaviors we see. The discriminative stimulus is just that. It's a stimulus. It's something that's in your environment that you either smell, taste, touch, feel, hear, and that will prompt the response, which is the behavior. The result of the behavior becomes the conditioned reinforcement, and that conditioned reinforcement in turn becomes the next discriminative stimulus. That's how it goes from one stimulus and then it chains down until the task is complete. So let's look at this one here, which is using Elmer's glue. The discriminative stimulus is someone saying glue. Upon hearing that stimulus, the learner scans the array and picks up the glue. The result of picking up the glue is in your hand. Okay? Having the glue in your hand becomes the next discriminative stimulus. When the learner sees the glue in their hand, it prompts them for the next behavior, which is to open the glue. The natural consequence for opening the glue is now open. That becomes the next discriminative stimulus. The glue is open. Seeing that the glue is open, the learner then turns the bottle over, squeezes the bottle until the correct amount of glue is on the paper. Of course, then, what's the result of that? The glue's on the paper. When they see the glue's on the paper, they next take the pieces or material and put it on the glue. The result is the material's glued in place. Upon seeing the materials are glued in place, they close the glue bottle and the task is complete. So the important things to remember here is a behavior chain is chained because the discriminative stimulus prompts a behavior. The behavior results in a condition, this conditioned reinforcement, and that conditioned reinforcement there is what becomes the next discriminative stimulus. Okay? So those are the important parts to remember. I know that sometimes we think about behavior chains and we think about teaching forward chaining or backward chaining. And so we just think about this chain right here, and we don't think about the stimulus that causes this to happen or the results. And the reason why this is a conditioned reinforcement is most likely along the way, someone has said glue. They pick up the glue and then there's a reinforcer there, whether that's a token reinforcer or social reinforcer, someone saying good job, giving them a small edible, a penny, something. That's why it has become a conditioned reinforcement. But there's the whole behavior chain is when this one stimulus can cause this entire chain to go until the task is complete.